Good morning to all of you. Now today I will start sets. Now see here. Now see sets, collection of things or objects which have a common property. We can represent in two different ways. How we can represent this? A set in roster form, or we can say tabular form. This roster form means what is the method to write down a set? A equal to, we can write down suppose 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and dash dash, and B set is A, E, I, O, U, C another set D, I, A, N. How we can write this set? We can write the elements in the bracket and each element should separate by comma, and this form is known as roster form. Now how we can say? Suppose you can say the set of students of class 11th. We can make the group of students of class 11, hence we can say it is well-defined objects. Well-defined objects means there should be a common property between the elements or objects, and this form is known as roster form. In roster form, we can write the elements within the bracket and each element should separate by comma, and repetition of the element is not allowed. Now see, we cannot repeat any element. Now another method is set builder form. In set builder form, we can find out the common property. What is the common property? Now see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We can see this is the set of whole numbers. Then we can write down in this way. X such that X is a set of whole numbers. This B set A, E, I, O, U, X such that, or we can write down set of vowels of English alphabet. Similarly C is the set of English alphabets used in India, I and DIA. Now I two times, but we cannot repeat here I, only we can write down in one time. This form is known as roster form or tabular form, and this second is known as set builder form. Now different type of sets are there. You can see empty set, null set or void set. Empty set means if there is no element or उसमें कोई element ना हो. For example, we are saying make a group of students who has taken physics, chemistry and economics. Is it possible? No, it is not possible कि कोई भी ऐसा स्टूडेंट हो जिसने फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री और इकोनॉमिक्स का कॉम्बिनेशन लिया हो. देन वी कैन से इट इज एम्प्टी सेट. वी कैन राइट डाउन इन दिस वे, एम्प्टी ब्रैकेट और 5. और यू कैन से अनदर एग्जांपल, सेट ऑफ प्लेयर्स ऑफ इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम विच प्लेड क्रिकेट और फुटबॉल बोथ. कोई ऐसे प्लेयर हों जिन्होंने क्रिकेट और फुटबॉल दोनों खेला हो. क्या ये पॉसिबल है? देन वी कैन से इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. देन वी कैन से दिस इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ एम्प्टी सेट. Now another set is singleton set. Singleton set means a set which contains only one element. For example, set of female Prime Minister of India. You can make the set of female Prime Minister, then you can write down Mrs. Indira Gandhi. Similarly, set of female President of India. Now you can think, then you will get another set B, and I think you will get Mrs. Pratibha Patil. Similarly, set of even prime numbers. Even prime number is only 1, then 2. It is known as singleton set. Then different types again, finite and infinite sets. As you know, finite means which contains the finite number of elements. Suppose set of students of 11th, we can count how many students are there, 40 or 45. Then we can say this is the finite set. Another example, set of, we can say in India, finite set, corona infected patient in India till 21st May 20. What is the meaning of this? The set which have the finite elements known as finite set. In finite set, A such that set of natural numbers. How many natural numbers are there? Then we can write down natural numbers are 1 to up to infinity, infinite. B set of number of RBC in human body. It is not possible to count. Then generally we can say this is the infinite set. Then equal set. Two sets are said to be equal set if they have the same number of elements, or we can say same elements, not numbers, same elements are there. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. B is also equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. This implies that we can say A equal to B. Similarly, equivalent set if the number of elements are same but element may be different. A equal to AEI, AEBD, B another set 1, 5, 6, 7. Then we can say A equivalent B. In this way, different types of sets are there. You can see and try to complete the examples and first exercise. And if any problem, any doubt, you can ask.